They call Coachella Music Festival the Influencer Olympics, and they're not wrong. And in preparation for my first year at Coachella, we're doing a huge 1-week transformation to turn me from looking like this into looking like this. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday, April 4th, and we are exactly 1 week out until Coachella. This is gonna be my first year going to Coachella, so I'm really excited, but I also wanna look like a hot ass bitch. I feel like, especially since it's my first year, I need to show up and I need to show out, and at the moment, I'm looking like this. So I have dedicated these next 7 days to having the most major transformation glow up of all time. I'm getting my nails done, I'm getting my eyebrows done, I'm getting a spray tan, we're doing whitening strips, laser hair removal, all of it. Today is the first appointment of many. We are going to the spa to get my full body laser hair removal. This is like my 8th session now, so it should be like the end of the journey for me. Okay, we are at my full body laser appointment now, and we're here with my mother. She is my laser technician. She owns a Medi Spa in Vancouver. Honestly, this time isn't as painful as usual. My mother says it's not supposed to hurt, but it kind of does. And it's probably more painful because she's the one doing it for me. But we're getting through it. We're almost done the one leg. We've still got another about hour to go. Two hours later, I have finally completed my full body laser. It feels good that we can cross off the first task of our list of things to do for the ultimate glow up. Anyways, I'll see you guys on Sunday for our next appointment. Hello you guys, we are at the next appointment. It's Sunday at 9 a.m. and I am freaking tired. I had to wake up at 7 a.m. to be here because it was kind of far from my house. I'm getting my lashes lifted and my eyebrows laminated. I am extremely excited to be here. I feel like a lash lift and a brow lami are like the main thing to like any glow up, and also it just makes you feel so clean, so sleek, so effortless. I used to get eyelash extensions, but I feel like that's just like too much for the natural era that I'm in. Lash lift, perfect. Chef's kiss. Okay, I just finished up my lash and my eyebrows. They honestly look really good. It took about 2 hours, and now I need to record like the final clips of my TikTok vlog. You can never go wrong with a lash lift and a brow lami. I feel like this is giving like an effortless look for this week, and I'm really excited. Yes, my concealer is a little bit busted, but I am obsessed with the lashes and the eyebrows. We have a lot more to go until our final glow up, so I will see you guys at the next appointment. It's Tuesday, April 9th, and we're only 2 days out from Coachella. I'm at my 3rd appointment working towards my Coachella Glow Up transformation, and today is my favorite appointment of them all. This is my favorite maintenance appointment. It is getting my nails done. It has been far too long since the last time I got my nails done. I think it's been about 5 weeks. I was holding off because I was just waiting as long as I could because I wanted my nails to be done right before Coachella. So today's the day. They are really long and they are really old, and I have a really cool idea of kind of what I want to do for my Coachella nails. I came about 40 minutes before my appointment because I want to look on Pinterest and kind of give her an idea of what exactly I want. I was thinking I'm going to do almond, of course. I'm going to get them shorter, and I'm looking on Pinterest to see if I can find like either tortoise or leopard print, and then I kind of want to do that as French, and then along the French I want to have like a yellow outline. I feel like that could be really cool, kind of different, and just like a vibe for in the desert. Honestly, I'm really behind schedule. I don't even know what I'm wearing at this point, and I kind of just need to organize myself tonight. I feel like this is literally exactly what I'm looking for. A little bit different. I want to do a yellow stripe instead, but I kind of feel like this gives off the perfect vibe and the perfect vision for giving my nail tech. I'm going to the same nail tech I went to last time. Her name is Icy Claws. You can find her on Instagram if you want to book with her. If you live in the Vancouver area or Lower Mainland, she is really good. She does a Russian style manicure and really cleans up the cuticles, which is nice. She does acrylic and gel X. I personally got gel X for the first time last time, and I really enjoyed it. Like, I thoroughly think they lasted way longer than acrylics would. And honestly, I love how like thin they are. It doesn't feel bulky. So I'm gonna try to find more inspo pictures and I'll see you guys inside.
You gotta look at them, they're so perfect.
Wow, so nice.
Hello you guys. It has been 3 hours since I started getting my nails done. My girl is just so good and she's so precise. And I'm in love with my Coachella nails. I'm gonna insert a photo here because it's kind of dark out, but I'm obsessed. I'm in love with them. They couldn't have gone any better. I need to go home right now and pack my life away. Like, I'm really behind schedule. It's 8:30 p.m. and I've got a lot to do tonight. I gotta edit my nail vlog. I gotta pack. I gotta shower. I have to do it all. So it's gonna be a long night for me. But I will see you guys tomorrow morning for my next and final appointment. Love you. Bye. Hello you guys, it is Wednesday morning and I'm going to my final appointment, which is getting my spray tan. This is my first time ever getting a spray tan, so I'm really excited, but I'm also a little bit nervous. I don't know if I should get it on my face or not, just because I do have a little bit more acne prone skin. But I think I'm just gonna indulge in the whole experience and just kind of risk it for the biscuit. I was told to exfoliate last night, shave last night, and moisturize last night, so I did all of that. My appointment's at 10:30, it's now like 9:30, so I have to leave pretty soon. I put on like really baggy black clothing that I don't really care too much about. Okay, I just finished at my tan appointment. I look pretty dark because I ended up getting a rapid tan. So the rapid tan gets washed off after 3 hours and then it develops over 24 hours. I honestly have a really good feeling about this. Like, I might be addicted to self-tanning from now on. It makes my teeth look so white and I'm kind of obsessed with it. And overall, I'm gonna look like a glowy goddess. I went to B Golden Tans. You can find her on Instagram. You can book her there. She is really good and her studio is also really cute, which is nice. So let's go home and do the rest of our tasks to complete our glow up. Okay, hi you guys. I am feeling very naturally glam right now. I washed off my tan. I washed my hair. I did an everything shower. I did my skincare. I put on my lotion. There are 2 last steps to this ultimate glow up week for Coachella, and the first one is doing our whitening strips. I got these Crest 3D white strips, Vivid Blank Brilliance, 6 levels whiter, and we are going to put these on before I go to bed. I also need to blow up my hair because we are leaving for the airport at 9 a.m. So we are also going to do that tonight, and I feel like once these 2 things are done, I'm gonna be just a better version of myself. I already feel like my teeth are so much whiter with my spray tan, so they are gonna be really white after these. Okay, I got these all on. I'm gonna go blow up my hair and I'll be right back for the final reveal. I'm all done straightening my hair. It takes me so long to straighten my hair. I think this took me like 45 minutes and it was already dry. But it is so worth it every time. I literally think I'm not gonna wash my hair in Coachella at all. I'll probably wear it down the first 2 days and then afterwards I will put it in a sleek back hairstyle, as you guys know I love. I am definitely feeling glowed up. I am feeling festival ready. My hair is silky, my lashes, my eyebrows, my teeth, my face, my body. It's all done. My nails, everything is done. I am ready to go. It is now 1 a.m. the morning before we leave for Coachella. I am all done with myself. I need to finish packing and just get everything wrapped up before we go. We can consider this full Coachella glow up a success. I'm gonna insert photos of what I look like and all my looks at the festival and how this complete glow up came together. I hope you guys enjoyed and thank you for watching. If you don't already, follow me on TikTok and on Instagram. I'll be sharing my whole Coachella experience there. And I do post on those platforms every single day, so follow the journey. And I'll see you guys next week. Love you. Bye.